Today I'm XIAOMI Poco C65 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open this Play Store application, and in the search pool we should enter the Ampere. Then just tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap the open button to open the app. Here click to yes, agree, repeat, close and tap to OK. And after that you'll see here information about your battery temperature, and in my case that's 30 and 5 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.